Trying hard to fix your cell phone shattered glass? Looking for some tips to repair it immediately? But, fixing a cracked screen cell phone device means having an accurate understanding of each and every parts of this valuable device. Are you looking for the professional cell phone repair technicians near you? Just visit our store. We at iTech Xpress always use the best quality authentic cell phone parts to make the repair effective. We provide a limited service guarantee on all our repair works. We always ask for highly competitive service charges compared to any other local market cell phone repair shops near you. If you want to fix your cracked cell phone glass without any hassles, then seek assistance from us. We at iTech Xpress are always happy to help our clients to fix their damaged screen cell phone.